2026 is going to be the year everything shifts for me, for my business, and for a lot of you watching right now. Because this year, I decided to do one thing differently. And it's not about working harder, adding more, or chasing every new shiny trend. It's about simplifying, locking in on what actually works, creating consistent momentum, and building income with intention. So in this video, I'm breaking down exactly what's changing for me in 2026, how I'm doing it, and how you can do it too. The 2025 reflection. Before we dive in, let's be real. 2025 taught me a lot. I was doing all the things, content on every platform, new offers, trying to be everywhere at once, and honestly, it worked, but it wasn't sustainable. I was growing, but I wasn't grounded. And I realized success without simplicity is just stress with a fancy filter. So I took a step back and asked myself the hard question. What's actually moving the needle? What's giving me energy instead of draining it? What's helping my community grow and get results? Not just grow. The one thing philosophy. And that's when I came back to the rule of one. One main system to run my business, one main offer that creates transformation, and one main message that my content amplifies. Everything else is optional. 2026 isn't about more, it's about mastery. The goal isn't to juggle a dozen ideas, it's to refine one thing until it builds unstoppable momentum. And that's the shift I'm inviting you to make with me. How the shift hit home. Let me share a moment that flipped this for me. I was sitting in front of my laptop one night, staring at my to-do list. It was overflowing. I had 15 different projects started, none finished. I realized I was building busyness, not business. That night I wrote one sentence at the top of my planner. Simplify to scale. That became my focus for 2026. The next day I started eliminating anything that didn't grow my visibility, build relationships, or drive sales. Within 2 weeks, my content felt lighter, my audience engagement doubled. Sometimes the power move isn't adding something new, it's cutting what's no longer aligned or working. The 3 shifts I'm making in 2026. Shift number 1, from overcomplication to simplicity. I'm streamlining my entire business ecosystem, one funnel, one email list, one message. If it doesn't align with my main offer or my main goal, it doesn't make the calendar. Shift number 2, from content chaos to consistency. Instead of chasing algorithms, I'm doubling down on consistency. I post daily across my platforms using repurposed content from my long-form videos like this one because YouTube builds longevity and shorts and reels build visibility. Shift number 3, from hustle to harmony. This year is about flow, not burnout disguised as ambition. I'm creating a business that supports my life, not the other way around. Strategy deep dive, the power of systems. Let's talk systems, because that's where real peace and profit live. 2026 is about running a system that does the heavy lifting. Content that drives traffic, a capture page that builds your list, emails that nurture and sell. That's how you grow income while keeping your sanity. You don't need 10 funnels. You need one clear path that converts curiosity into confidence and confidence into cash flow. Behind the scenes on how I'm doing it. Here's what it looks like behind the scenes for me. I batch content every Sunday. I post video shorts 3 to 5 times per week, sometimes more. Every post points back to my email list or offer. That's it. I'm not overthinking. I'm not trying to go viral. I'm focusing on being visible. Because best known beats best kept secret every single time. The mindset shift, leading differently. If you want to thrive in 2026, your mindset has to evolve. Stop waiting for permission. Stop over-researching. Stop saying someday. Decide that this is your year to lead, even if you're learning as you go. Your audience doesn't need a perfect version of you. They need the present version of you, willing to share, serve, and show up. The people who win online aren't the ones with the biggest followings. They're the ones who stay consistent long enough to be seen as leaders. The invitation, how to join the movement. So if you've been watching and thinking, I'm ready to simplify, I'm ready to create freedom through focus, this is your invitation to move differently in 2026. Join me inside the community where I'm teaching exactly how I'm building this, step by step, with mentorship, systems, and daily visibility routines. Because this isn't just business. It's a lifestyle of clarity, confidence, and cash flow. The link's in the description. Come see how we're building this together. Real talk, Q&A style. Now let's address what some of you might be thinking. Do I need a big audience to start? Nope. Do I need a lot of tech? Not at all. Do I need to know it all before I begin? Definitely not. You just need to start with one offer, one message, and one commitment to stay visible. My final thoughts. Here's what I know for sure. 2026 isn't waiting for anyone. You can either keep doing what you've always been doing, or if you have what you've always done and get the same results, or you can simplify, systemize, and scale with intention. This year, I'm not chasing. I'm building. And if that's your energy too, hit that like button, subscribe, and share with a friend who's ready to build their business the smart way. We're creating a new normal. One system, one focus, one powerful move at a time. Let's make it happen. Your time is now. Let's move differently in 2026.